Ben, your backpack. What happened?
Don't touch it.
Ben, don't touch it. It came from my bag. We need a teacher.
The seal is broken.
I never touched it.
The money is here.
I don't understand. Something is wrong. I did not take it. I believe you, Ben.
We need the truth.
I should say something, but I'm scared. What should I do? We're almost late. I can still beat you. Walk, don't run.
Everything looks ready.
I'll test the lock.
The children will be proud. Your turn, Ben.
This is my savings. That is very kind. Here it goes.
Good job, Ben. Thank you for helping. Your turn, Ella.
I hope this helps.
Every gift matters. Welcome, Milo.
Thank you, Miss Sarah.
You can sit here.
Just one coin. It can still help. I can do this.
The box is full.
The children were generous.
I'll lock it now.
Place it carefully.
The envelope is open.
That is everything. The money is inside.
Now I'll seal it.
Make it secure.
The envelope is sealed. The money is safe. Now, the assembly.
Put your bag here. Okay, I'm ready. Come on, let's go. There it is. My wristband fell. I almost lost it. What is that? Something is wrong. Should I look inside? Should I tell? I'm not sure. What should I do?
Please take your seats.
This looks exciting. It really does.
Thank you, everyone. Your gifts will help.
We are proud of you.
We really helped. You gave your savings. It felt right. I should speak, but I'm not sure. What if I'm wrong?
That rain came fast. The lights are fine. Let us continue. Please bring the envelope.
From the office?
Yes, thank you.
It was right here. Where did it go? This cannot be. Maybe it fell. No, not here. Something is wrong. There is the bench. The picture is unclear. I need Mr. Wilson. The envelope is gone.
Are you certain?
I checked everywhere.
Please stop clapping. Stay calm, everyone. We have a problem.
The money is missing? That makes no sense. This is bad.
Please get your bags. Open only your own.
We will help you.
This feels heavy. Is something inside?
Please come back in. Place bags on chairs. Open them carefully.
Okay, Miss Johnson. Mine is clear. Mine is clear too. Check every pocket.
Something is inside.
What is it? Ben, wait! What is that? Ben, don't touch it! Everyone stay still. I did not take it! I believe him!
Nobody touch it. The seal is broken.
I've never seen it. He is telling the truth.
The money is here.
But the seal is broken.
Someone moved it.
I've never seen that. I did not put it there.
I am listening, Ben.
Ben would never steal.
I need the truth. I am telling it.
Please stop whispering.
They think I stole it.
I'm here with you. Tell them, Milo. But they may blame me. I'm sorry, Ben.
We'll speak privately.
Am I in trouble?
We will listen first.
Everyone is watching. Keep walking with me. Stay calm, Ben.
Ben helped me before. I should help him. Why am I scared?
Class, meet Milo.
Hello.
Please introduce yourself. My name is... Take your time.
It's okay. Take your time. Thank you.
That was very brave. I could not speak.
Tomorrow may be easier. I need more practice. Maybe this can help. I'll try again. My name is Milo. I am 10 years old. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Milo. I am 10 years old. Nice to meet you. How did you improve? I practiced last night. What did you use? I watched Ella Slow English. Is it on YouTube? Let's show everyone.
Check out Ella's Slow English channel. Yes, everyone should subscribe right now. Go subscribe!
I watch it too. I forgot to subscribe.
You should subscribe.
These stories teach clearly.
They help me speak. Let's subscribe today. Ben helped me. I know something. I must speak.
Let's examine the facts.
Ben did nothing wrong. Please believe me.
Where were you before assembly?
Near the corridor bench. I lost my wristband. I found it later. That explains the camera.
Let me see it. This is the corridor.
I was finding my wristband. Look under the bench. That makes me look guilty. Look at me. We will prove the truth. There, his wristband.
I can see something.
Let's enlarge the frame.
Why was this open?
I don't know. I left it closed. There is wax inside.
That is not mine. Someone placed it there. No one will believe me. I believe you. We will find the truth.
Mr. Carter, please come. Ben is safe.
The evidence is secured.
Ben needs us at school.
What happened?
He was accused of stealing.
Is Ben all right?
Mr. Wilson said he is safe.
Let's hurry.
It was inside Ben's bag.
We also found wax.
Evidence can be misleading. Start from the beginning.
I will tell everything. Take your time. I donated my savings. Then I lost this outside. I never entered the office.
Ben donated his savings. Why would he steal it back?
That is a fair question. Your reasoning makes sense, but this still remains. Then we keep searching.
I know something. Ben needs my help. Just open the door.
Someone is coming. Not now. I need another way. I could not tell them. Ben needs help. I can write it. I need the right words. Ben is innocent. Please believe me.
Please find this. It tells the truth. Now go.
What is this? Someone left a note. Mr. Wilson must see it. It says Ben is innocent.
Someone believes me.
We must find the writer. Do you recognize this?
No, sir. But someone knows.
The writer knows Ben is innocent.
Maybe the writer is afraid.
Then we find them gently.
Another student was here.
The picture is breaking.
The storm damaged it. This is the missing moment. But the image is gone. There may be another angle. I found another camera.
2 frames survived.
Let's compare them.
I'll leave my bag here. The assembly is starting. Where's my wristband?
The door is open. Ben's bag is here. What should I do?
That is Milo. He is my friend. Maybe he saw something.
Where is Milo? His chair is empty. Did anyone see him?
This corner is wet. The other notes are dry. Then this matters.
There is a watermark.
Where did it come from?
We should check the bag. The backpack is dry.
Then the water came first.
That is important.
The envelope was moved.
Before it entered the bag?
That could prove Ben. Milo, I found you.
I was not hiding.
You are not in trouble. You are safe here. Tell me what happened.
I am scared.
These marks look the same.
I wrote the note.
Thank you for telling me.
I was near the office. What did you see?
I cannot say it well.
I sob.
Breathe slowly.
I am sorry.
Drink some water.
Thank you.
Take all the time you need.
I was trying to help. Help whom?
Ben. Stay beside me.
Will they be angry? Just tell the truth. Milo? Why is he here?
He has something to say.
Did you write this?
Yes, sir. He came to explain.
How do you know Ben is innocent?
Take your time.
I am not angry. I only need the truth.
Why are you kind?
This made me look guilty. Please tell us what happened.
I am sorry, Ben.
I saw the envelope. Near the cabinet? I cannot say it.
Breathe with me. In and out.
I feel calmer.
I was trying to help.
Help with what?
We can wait. Yes, this is Mr. Wilson. The donation is delayed.
The hospital is waiting.
The hospital needs the donation.
This is my fault.
No, it is not.
I can give my savings. This is not your fault.
We need the truth. Honesty needs courage.
I will listen. I am trying.
There is a backup.
Can we open it?
Please try.
The backup is opening.
Is it becoming clearer?
Yes, frame by frame. This corner looks darker, like the wet paper. Maybe it came from here. There is a mark. It looks dry now, but it may matter.
The mark is directly above, and this paper was damp. The rain may explain it.
The backup is ready.
Play it from the start.
Some frames are still missing.
The mark is directly above, and this paper was damp. The rain may explain it.
The backup is ready.
Play it from the start.
Some frames are still missing.
Whatever appears, tell the truth.
We are beside you. I am trying.
Everyone went inside. The door is open. What is inside? Something is inside. Should I check? No teacher is here. What caught your attention?
Something near there.
You can tell me. I tried to help. Help with what?
Was it near there?
What did you see there? You are safe. The truth can protect you. It can protect Ben too.
I want to tell.
Even if you made a mistake, I will listen.
I do not deserve that. Did you hear that? It came from there. That is the sound. Water! This paper was wet. It came from here.
The leak is directly above.
The envelope was below it.
Now the moisture makes sense. You saw this earlier?
Yes, sir. Is this why you acted?
The final section is ready.
Play it.
You will see everything. The ceiling is dripping. The envelope is below it. What should I do?
The money will be ruined! I have to move it. Where can I keep it? No teacher is here. I need a dry place. That bag is open. This will keep it safe. I will tell a teacher. Please stay dry. The seal broke. The bell is ringing. I have to go.
You were saving it.
We accused the wrong child.
I am sorry.
I am sorry, Ben. I put it in your bag. Then I became afraid. I forgive you.
Thank you, Ben. You both were brave. Friends tell the truth.
and friends forgive.
We learned together. This is for the children. We kept it safe.
Thank you both.
Everyone knows the truth. We did this together.
Thank you, everyone.
Ben did not steal the money. We judged him too quickly.
Thank you for finding the truth.